Hey guys, welcome to another episode of CS Outdoors. It's going to be a little bit of a tough day from the looks of it. It looks like it's super windy, but you know, I'm willing to give it a try. I think it'll be a blast. So hopefully we go out and we catch some fish, and it's not too bad of a day. Go. No, guys, that was like a 4-pounder. Guys, it was huge. Its mouth was so big. Oh my gosh. There we go, guys. 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 Oh, nice 2-pounder, maybe about that size. Hey guys, so recently a new academy opened up around where I live, so I decided to add on to this video to make it a little bit more interesting since I only had one fish catch and I lost a fish. So I'm gonna come here. It opened up yesterday, and you know, I'm gonna buy a few things, a few fishing things, and you know, make it successful, and you know, just to kind of make this video a little bit more entertaining. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so here is the unbagging for you. So basically, what I was going for this time this season, you know, and also picking out things that I don't have a lot of. And so one thing that I really don't have a lot of are square bills. And so I got 3, where's the other one? 3 color square bills. KVD Strike King 1.5. The first one is just a shad color. The second one is a gizzard shad. Then the third one is a, what is it? Black back chartreuse. Another thing I got was, of course, some more chatterbaits. And, you know, I got a white one. And then I got I actually got a chartreuse one. I've never had a chartreuse one before. I actually call it frog. That's the color they call it as. I've never gotten a chartreuse one before. And so, I mean, I'll go and try that out. You know, I've never personally been a fan of trying a chartreuse chatterbait, but I thought, heck, I'll try it anyways. The other one I got was a black and blue because I'm pretty sure I'm low on those. And then lastly, what they call perch color. Oh my gosh, you've got to be kidding me. Perch color chatterbait. So yeah. Next we got, I've got drop shot weights because those were on back order on Tackle Warehouse. I got some Texas rig weights basically. I got some heavy cover swim jigs. One is a black and blue, and one is I don't know the exact color, but I mean it has some purple to it, and it's, you know, I think it's just normal green pumpkin with some purple flake. And these other two I got are structure jigs, and so you know, it's black and blue, and then some watermelon red. And you know, I did that because, I mean, as you saw last week, the fish are starting to transition more into the timber, so that's what you're getting the square bills for. And I also was getting these structure jigs because they're going to start being around trees and stumps. And that's actually where I lost that fish in this video, was I casted by a tree. I actually didn't know at the time. I didn't know it was a tree, but I casted it, and you know, it came up from a tree, like a huge tree that was under the water. And it came up there, so I'm gonna start using some jigs, some structure jigs, some, you know, and also some square bills. And then I bought these because in the lake I just fished, there is a whole lot of grass, and so I'm gonna use this to kind of rip through that grass, and you know, try and get some fish out of that. But yeah, thank you for tuning in. I hope y'all enjoyed. There wasn't a whole lot of action when it came to the fishing itself, but you know, I mean, I did catch that fish, and I lost the other one. But guys, there were, like, at the end of the day when I started leaving, there were like 50 kayakers who came out, and they were like learning how to kayak or something like that. I don't really know. And then also the waves were just picking up. It started to hit 20, 25 mile an hour winds. So I decided to call it a day. That's actually when I caught the other fish. Was I decided to bank fish a little bit longer. But you know, I mean, I still had a great time, and I'm glad this academy opened up. It's like 20 minutes away from my house, which is a lot better. It's in a good location. But yeah, I mean, I hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll catch you back next time. CS Outdoors signing out.